Hello, my dear viewers, and how are you doing? This is Joyce Ojeti, and today I want to be talking on the topic: what is the process of buying land in Nigeria? Now, before I do that, please, I want you to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also hit on the notification bell so that you will be able to get updates like this. Thank you very much. Now, when buying land in any part of Nigeria, first, identify the location and with proper documentation. Even when you get a land with proper documentation, it is crucial to conduct thorough due diligence. I'm going to give you a process of what you will conduct. Number one, you verify property title. Property title. Now, ensure the property has a valid and transferable title. Like common titles that include like the certificate of occupancy, which is formally known as the C of O, okay? Then the deed of assignment and governor's consent. Then number two, conduct a land search. Very, very important. Perform a search at the land registry to confirm the property's ownership and check for any encumbrances or disputes. When I'm talking about this, you check if there's any problem with the land that you are about to purchase. Then number three, survey plan verification. Obtain and verify the survey plan to ensure the property's boundaries are accurate and that it doesn't encroach on government land or other properties, because it will be a very high risk for you when you do not conduct this search. Then number three, physical inspection. What do I mean by physical inspection? You have to be there yourself, or if you are not available, you send someone that you can trust to visit that property, to assess its condition, to know how the condition of the land or the properties that you are buying, to, you know, the accessibility of that thing, of that land, and compliance with zoning regulation. It is very important. Then number four, I guess, you engage professionals. Not one person have the idea of land buying. You have to engage professionals when it comes to buying of land. Consult with a qualified real estate lawyer and a registered surveyor to guide you through the verification processes. And if you are working with a qualified realtor like myself, I will make sure that all of these are in place for you. Did you know 60% of land disputes in Nigeria stem from invalid titles? Oh, I'm sure you do not know, but I am giving you this information now. Dispute of 60% comes from invalid titles. And then another thing that you have to do, you pay via bank transaction. That is true bank transaction for accountability. Should you have any crisis that there is no proof of payment, you did not pay money to me, you will have a proof that this is what and how, this is when and how much that I sent, and that is how much I paid. You pay via bank transaction. Then finally, when you have acquired this land, immediately fence it to deter encroachers. Okay, you fence it at least to knee level. You fence it to secure that properties. Okay, now with this information, I believe it's helpful to you. So do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. And again, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when updates like this are being posted by me. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful time.